Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache of the Lightroom app. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Settings app on your home screen. Now open it. Here we can find the General option. Now go ahead and select it. Then tap onto the iPhone storage button right here. Next, scroll down until you find the option Lightroom. Then simply open it. Now to clear cache of the Lightroom, tap on to Offload app. Again tap on to Offload app. Now the cache has been cleared. Simply tap on to reinstall the app to add the Lightroom back to your home screen. And that's it. This is how you can clear the cache of the Lightroom on your mobile phone. Now use your Lightroom app freely and smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.